Hey, busy moms! Today we're sharing 6 simple yet genius kitchen hacks that'll save you time, reduce stress, and make cooking a breeze. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. Keep your cutting board steady by placing a damp paper towel or dishcloth underneath. No more slipping and sliding. This tip is all about safety and ease. Hack number 2. Save time with meal prep by freezing sauces, soups, or even baby food in muffin trays. Once frozen, just pop them out and store in a freezer bag for quick, easy portions anytime. Hack number 3. Gather everything you need for your recipe in one go with a laundry basket or tray. It's a quick way to have all your ingredients and utensils ready at once, saving those extra trips around the kitchen. Hack number 4. Store dry ingredients like flour, rice, or pasta in cereal dispensers. It keeps them fresh and makes pouring out exact amounts mess-free. Hack number 5. Use a potato masher to easily break up ground meat while cooking. It's faster and gives you that perfect texture every time. Hack number 6. Out of chip clips? Use a binder clip to seal bags and keep snacks fresh. It's a quick fix that's already lying around in your office drawer. These kitchen hacks are here to make your life easier and more organized. Try them out and let us know your favorite. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more mom-friendly tips and tricks.